Join me as I dive into the unpredictable world of Google stock and try to predict what's next for it. With the tech giant being a staple in our daily lives, it's no surprise that Google stock remains one of the most watched and highly traded securities on the market. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of the tech industry, it's essential to stay on top of the trends and developments that could impact Google's future performance. In this video, we'll be exploring the challenges, opportunities, and predictions surrounding Google stock, so let's dive right in. Google stock has faced its fair share of challenges in recent times, with market trends being a significant concern. The current uncertainty in the global economy has led to a decline in investor confidence, making it difficult for tech companies like Google to maintain their growth momentum. Another major challenge Google faces is the intense competition in the digital advertising space, with rivals like Facebook and Amazon aggressively expanding their market share. Furthermore, regulatory issues continue to plague the company, with ongoing antitrust investigations and data privacy concerns weighing heavily on its performance. And lastly, the shift towards a more digital-first economy has forced Google to adapt its business strategy, leading to significant investments in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and cloud computing. As we can see, these challenges are multifaceted, and Google will need to address them effectively to maintain its position as a market leader. The company's ability to innovate and stay ahead of the curve will be crucial in driving future growth. In addition to these challenges, Google also faces intense scrutiny from investors and regulators, who are keenly watching its response to these issues. The company's ability to balance its short-term goals with its long-term vision will be crucial in determining its future success. Moving forward, it's essential to keep a close eye on Google's efforts to address these challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Google has made some significant developments in recent times, with its latest earnings report revealing a strong growth trajectory. The company's cloud computing segment has been a major driver of this growth, with Google Cloud Platform experiencing a significant surge in demand. Another area of focus for Google has been its artificial intelligence capabilities, with the company investing heavily in AI research and development. Furthermore, Google has also made some strategic changes to its leadership team, with Sundar Pichai taking the reins as CEO. These developments are crucial in understanding Google's future direction and how they might impact its stock performance. The company's focus on emerging technologies like AI and cloud computing is likely to pay off in the long run, as these segments are expected to drive significant growth in the tech industry. Google's ability to adapt to changing market trends and capitalize on new opportunities has always been one of its strengths, and it will be interesting to see how this plays out in the coming months. Another factor to consider is the impact of Google's strategic partnerships and acquisitions on its future growth. The company has a history of making savvy deals that have helped drive innovation and expansion, and it will be interesting to see how these partnerships shape its future direction. In addition to these developments, Google's commitment to research and development is also crucial in driving innovation and staying ahead of the curve. The company's investments in AI, machine learning, and other emerging technologies will be essential in driving future growth and creating new revenue streams. Based on the data and trends we've discussed, one of the most compelling insights into the future of Google stock is the potential for significant growth in the cloud computing segment. As more businesses shift their operations to the cloud, Google is well positioned to capitalize on this trend and drive significant revenue growth. Additionally, the company's focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning is likely to pay off in the long run, as these technologies become increasingly important in driving business innovation. Google's ability to adapt to changing market trends and capitalize on emerging opportunities has always been one of its strengths, and it will be interesting to see how this plays out in the coming months. With its strong track record of innovation and its commitment to research and development, Google is well positioned to drive significant growth in the coming years. In conclusion, Google stock is poised for an interesting ride in the coming months, with both challenges and opportunities on the horizon. By understanding the current trends and developments surrounding the company, we can make more informed predictions about its future performance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's essential to stay on top of the latest developments and adjust your strategy accordingly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts on Google stock in the comments below. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest tech stock trends, be sure to check out my latest video on the topic.